Hi, and welcome back to Your Travel with Olivia. Thank you so much for joining me here. Well, as we head into 2022, the year of promise, I feel that this is the year that we should be approaching it with enthusiasm. Yes, we have been through a lot. That is going to be behind us now. We don't have to think about that anymore. All we have to do is look forward to the promise that 2022 holds in front of us. And so I think that the best thing that we can do right now is sit down and start to make a bucket list. Start thinking about the places that you want to visit, some of the things that you want to achieve, or goals that you want to set. Whatever that happens to be, write it down. There is power in the written word. And the next thing that you want to do, or before you get to that actually, is to create a vision board. I feel that the two go hand in hand because in order for you to achieve what is on that bucket list, you do have to have a vision. So start creating that vision board for 2022. Now, the first thing you want to do is put some kind of monetary attachments to that because nothing is free. Whatever's on your bucket list, trust me, it's going to cost you money. And so you want to put that in your vision board. That means that what is it that I need to do in order to get that? I want to make 100,000. Make sure that it has an actual value to it because you're going to need that money. The next thing you want to do is start finding any pictures or paraphernalia that is attached to places that you want to go or things that you want to achieve. And the best way that you can do that sometimes is by getting pictures and putting them up somewhere that is visible and is in your forethought on a regular basis so that you can always be reminded of, aha, I remember that. I want to do that this year. So keep that somewhere where you're going to see it all the time. Maybe have it as a sticky note, put it on your fridge as a picture, whatever that is. Another tool that I have used actually in the past is Canva. This is a program that you go on your computer, your phone. It's free to use. You just type in vision board and it'll bring up the template for that. And then now just start dragging photos and putting down any sayings that is going to motivate you. Anything, throw them on there and then put down that this is your vision. And then after you have created that and saved it and uploaded it and put it on your device, now use that as your screensaver. So every time you turn your phone on, there it is. There's your reminder right in your face all the time to remind you of exactly what it is that you want to achieve in 2022 going forward. Other things that you might want to do is start getting yourself in shape if necessary. Whatever the tasks are that you need to do in order to achieve that. If it means taking a night course so that you can get to that degree, if it means starting to work out so that you're physically fit for whatever it is that you want to do. Whatever the task is that is going to give you the best experience and or get you to that goal, start making those amendments. Put that in your vision board. Another thing that you want to do is educate yourself on that goal that you want to achieve, whatever that happens to be. Maybe it means, learning a bit more about the culture. I'm a huge believer in knowing exactly where it is that you're traveling to. Find out as much as you can about it so that when you do meet people in these communities, it really impresses them a lot when you have taken the time to learn a little bit about their culture. Also, let other people know what your plans, your goals, your dreams are. There is power in letting somebody else know because it's an element of accountability. If you've told somebody this is what you want to do, well, 9 times out of 10, they're going to keep asking you, and it's going to be a little bit embarrassing if you have to keep saying, nah, I haven't done anything. Nah, didn't bother with that at all. Didn't think about it. So then why is it on your vision board or why did you put it on your bucket list? Make it realistic. Make it practical, realistic, and achievable. And you will get there. This is your dream. This is your goal. And it's exciting. Well, that's a lot to take in, and I don't want to hold you up any longer because I want you to get started on your vision board right now, writing out your bucket list. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited about mine. I did one last year. I achieved some of those things on there. Like I said, don't feel bad that you don't achieve everything because it's only 365 days. But that's okay because you know what? You did achieve something in there. And if you hadn't have written it, if you didn't dream it, if you didn't think about it, you may not have even gotten that far. What's going on my vision board this year? I would love to have 10,000 subscribers on this channel. So I want more eyes on this channel, and that's why I'm calling on you and getting you to help me with my vision, with my goal. And that is by sharing any content that you come across on this channel that you think is useful for your friends, your family, and your peers. I'm looking forward to finding out what your visions are, what's on your bucket list. Go ahead and put that in the description down below. I would love to hear from what other people are thinking of doing. However, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below. Look forward to seeing you again in the next video. In the meantime, have yourself a wonderful week and